Alright, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy T, back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box. Today I got a $440 beater box, kind of like on the low end, but just wanted to, that's what I could get this week, so you know, I get what I can get out. $440 shipped, so that means it was $400 plus the $40 shipping. If you're new to the channel, these are nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box full of random condition, random size shoes from a company called Soul Supremacy out of California. It's a membership only thing, and they say that they only have about a little over 100 members nationwide that cop. I thought it was 150, but apparently I was wrong. On Twitter they said it was about 100 of us, a little over 100 of us. They had opened up memberships for, it was at a random time, and I don't know what had happened with their system, but it ended up glitching and it allowed more members in than what they were hoping for or whatever, but they let everybody keep their membership. So congratulations to the new members. Like I said, just over 100 of us. I thought it was more. So anyway, 440 bucks shipped. See what we got in here. Hopefully, you know, we have a strong box, man. The last one did pretty good. Last one did real good, actually. Alright, we in there. Off top, I got one pair of shoes without a box. I think it's a pair. I can't find the other one. We got a taxi. Okay. Give me a second. Other one's way down at the bottom. Get these loose shoes. We got some taxi 12s. See what size they are. Size 11. Some good old beaters. Taxi 12s. This is probably my favorite 12. This was the shoe that got me into shoes. Came out a long time ago, elementary school. This was the shoe that drew my attention. Taxi 12s. Very dope shoe. Classic, a grail shoe of mine. Size 11. I already see the name of this. We got some Adidas. You can't even read the tag because it's small print. But we got some Crazy 8s. Kobe Crazy 8s. I don't know what the resale of these are, but I remember at one time everybody was kind of digging this shoe. Crazy 8. Still pretty clean. Check out the bottom. These are size 11 also, my size, but I won't be keeping them. Still pretty good shape. Still got the Adidas on the inside, which you cannot see, but as you can see, they still in pretty good shape. With the box, everything with the box will be double shipped, or will be double box shipped. Shoes without a box will not come with a box. Got a 3-stripe box, another size 11, and so we got some EQT supports, 9317, all black, triple black EQTs. That boost on this is crazy. That right there just feels like so much cushion. Very good condition. Size 11. Used. Still got a lot of life in them though. Still got a lot of life in them. I don't know what the resale of these are either. So hopefully it's decent, so I can get my 40 back. We got some Nike Little Posit 1 quick strike, size 6.5. We got some foams. Okay, I remember these. Halloween edition. So I guess I'm getting these at the perfect time. Halloween edition foam posit, size 6.5 for the kids. These are in pretty good shape. Almost, they pretty close to dead stock. A couple of rocks in the bottom of the shoes, but overall these are real nice. Halloween edition, size 6.5. So yeah, that's a pretty good pickup. foam pods sell really fast. This could be really good or really bad. I got a Nike ID box. You know, the ID boxes don't tell you the size or nothing on them. These are KD7 though. Size 8. KD7. And these are pretty cool right here. Somebody did their thing with this. I like this. Size 8. Still got a lot of life in them. Really good condition. Nike ID, they don't have a name or nothing stitched in them, so that's pretty good. That's the problem with the IDs. People get their name and all that stuff stitched in them and then they don't like it. And you can't resell something with your name stitched in it. Size 8 on those. I got 3 boxes left. Man, I got 1 box down here. I mean, I'm gonna save it. I think I see the money shoe. This is a Crazy Boost 2.5 size 10. Size 10 and a half. Size 10 and a half on these. Don't know much about them. Crazy Boost 2.0s. They still in great shape. I mean, they almost look like they dead stock from the bottom, but I could tell they've been tried on. These are in really good shape. Size 10 and a half. Got that boost on the back. Can't go wrong with that. I bet these will make a dope hoop shoe for somebody. Very, very nice pickup there. I see the money shoe and I can't believe it's in this box, because it's a $440 box. I don't know what this is. We're gonna get it out the way. We got a bronze 5. Size 9.5 on the bronze 5s. It does have the lace locks in the box. Size 9.5. They do have some toe box creasing on them. Not too bad. Trying to get y'all a good look at these. Size 9.5. Still in pretty decent shape. I think these will move pretty fast. I mean, still got a lot of life left in them. Bronze. Alright, we got 1 more shoe on the box. And I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure this is the money shoe, because I see the tag. And I'm hoping this is not a replacement box. How is this in a 440 box? I don't know. This is a size 12. Show you guys the tag. We got a human race in a 440 box. Not DS, of course. But man, these are in great shape. Let me check the other one before I say that. You got the breathe and the walk. These are a great pickup for this box. Size 12, so obviously I won't be keeping them. Will be up for sale. Just like everything else in this box, I won't be keeping anything out of here. Oh man, I'm shocked that these are in here. Got the Pharrell Williams on the back. Check out the bottom. Still got a lot of life in them, man. These are really clean. This is a dope pickup. Got the extra laces in the box too. So this is real surprising. Even the box is in decent shape. Alright, that's gonna do it for this box, man. Very happy with this box. I was kind of doubting some of the boxes lately, just watching some of the other Beater Box members, and it's like, man, I didn't know what to expect in this box, but I'm really happy with it. Very pleased. Hopefully get another box coming in for you guys next week. If you see anything you like in this video, check the description. I should have a price and all that stuff down in the description. If it's marked sold, it's gone. If you see anything and it's not marked sold, you can hit me on Instagram at TGOTSOLE, eBay at TGOTSOLE, Gmail, TGOTSOLE@gmail.com. I'll link all that stuff down below, so it'll be easy for y'all to just tap in with me and we get something worked out. I only take PayPal only right now, but working on some other things. But we'll talk about that in another video. Get out y'all face. I'm out. Peace.